Well, we have filed with.
We had kept your matter at 12.
Yes,
But Mr. Singh and Mr. Sen's matter was immediately after fresh. So we had a 2 p.m. fixed matter, but perhaps there will be an adjournment, which is. So we'll proceed with this matter. If you are free at 2, we can start.
certainly, most certainly, no, most certainly. Very great.
But don't go away. If this matter is over,
No, no, I'm
start immediately.
here since morning, sir. Partner matter, I would not like to take a chance for them. I'm on my leg.
Because we don't know what will happen in the next year. We want to finish off our partner matters as.
Lot
Lord, your lordships had directed the state to file a status report giving details of 120.
just come.
Yes, it will not be over in 5 minutes.
It must be over, my lord.
It will be over in 5. That's a very well. You might say 5 minutes. They will take us till recess.
Pursuant to lordship.
Out of 128 Lord candidates, which your lordships had directed them to give details of, they have only given details of 15.
1-5.
Not 128.
Yeah,
And
given
that too,
details
my
of
lord, I'll just show 1 or 2 things, my lord. Either I
That
address
is why
or
Mr. Singh said it will be over within 5 minutes.
he's not been able to give.
The second order was specific to our group. Question was C.
Ah.
That they have given incomplete.
That C is not there. I've seen from the status report. Mr. Singh, you asked for 10 days time to answer query number C.
But I have given the details out of 91 petitioners. But most of the details have been given except those particulars were not found. But kindly have the
Status report hai dijiye na.
status report filed on 3rd of December.
Only 15 out of 128 he has given details.
Further detail. If lordships are pleased, most of them were not eligible for even interview. And if lordships are pleased to have is item 3 and 4. These petitioner data were not found. Others are not eligible for interview,
But Mr. Sen, it ends at 91.
My lord,
The particulars of the candidates.
91, but out of these 91, my lord, the petitioners who I represent are only 15 in this
But other
list of 90.
petitioners are also there, other sets of.
I'm not sure, my lord. I am not representing any other.
all the petitions, my lord, 91.
No, how many petitioners in all do you represent total?
My lord, 128.
And 15 are there here.
Only 15 are there.
They
Your
have
lordships
not-
have
they have not
specifically
given
directed
to
them
those who
to
are
give
in-
details of all, my lord.
Impediment application, those who have filed impediment, their details are not there. Others are there, my lord.
So are you representing the persons who want to get themselves implemented?
No. I already,
Original writ petition.
my lord,
Not original,
all are writ petitioners before my lords.
Then Mr. Singh, you should have.
Yes,
they
we have to
filed
give the
impediment in the SLP.
No, forget about implement application. Mr. Sen is submitting that more than 100 petitioners were there before the High Court, who is being represented by him.
But I have given.
So why have you given only 15 of them?
Detail by if lordships are pleased to have I given the writ petition number and the SLP number also.
You are in Arvind Kumar?
And people, my lord, who he has not.
You are in Arvind
I'm in
Kumar.
Arvind. And he has not
Kumar,
given-
there are only 2 petitioners.
No, my lord. There are total 128 because, my lord,
Please come to page 74 of your special petition. If there has been addition of party orders, then that's different.
yeah, there has been, my lord. I'll tell your lordships, my lord. The SLP was filed originally by 6 persons. 122 prayed for impleadment by IA, my lord, 73237. Your lordships, my lord, by order dated 12/12/23 allowed impleadment. Memo of parties was, my lord, amended.
It's not there, not shown in the.
Lord,
it
I have
is-
the chart one
The
filed
amended
earlier.
memo of parties is also on record, my lord.
and office report.
Order, it's reflected in the office report as well. My lord, lordship may kindly see the office report, my lord. So show me the office report.
Writ petition.
Just,
First order. This is the order.
my lord, the order, lordship may kindly see the order dated 12th of December 23.
SLP memo.
The first IA, my lord, 73237 is for impleadment. Applications for intervention impleadment stand allowed.
Third SLP.
And thereafter, my lord, the office report,
Pleaded in the writ.
after extracting this order, it says that it is submitted that some,
Could you please explain to us what does intervention and what does impleadment mean? Are they synonymous?
they were not, my lord.
Huh? If you are applying for intervention, you can only take the side of one of the other party.
No, we had moved
That
for
is what is
impleadment.
in.
We had
No,
moved
but
for
in
impleadment.
judgment, this order says intervention oblique implementation.
Some other application
Milord,
was there.
maybe some other, but as far as we are concerned, it was for impleadment and they were impleaded. Amended memo of parties have been filed, Milord, and included in the paper books. Milord, I would request the court masters to show your lordships, Milord, the amended memo of parties which have been filed, which are there in the paper book.
What is your IA number that was allowed?
Milord, 73237.
73237.
Yes, Milord.
Well, let us see that application. What is the press?
This is the
Yes. The prayer is at page 18, Milord.
Just a moment.
Intervention application was allowed.
No. Impleadment.
Let us see what is that.
Prayer is at page 18 of this application. 73237.
Liberal with intervention and.
other side file intervention. That other number is there.
डिटेल्स और रोल नंबर दे दो उनका डिटेल नहीं दिया है
Page 18 straight away, Milord, prayer A.
इसमें दो ही के दिए हैं ना अरविंद का ये दत्त का
Do you know, sir, this one?
नहीं उसमें तो
Allow the applicants to be impleaded as petitioners in the pending SLP. This was allowed.
And this is registry's impleadment.
And,
Pleaded party.
नहीं
and registry, Milord, has amended the cause title and the amended cause title is your lordship's record.
But in impleadment, they have not given for those who are allowed for the impleadment. But the original one we have filed, if they give the particulars, roll number, etc., we'll furnish it.
Long back, this application is allowed.
Impleadment application, Malad, in the writ petition.
Then amended cause title one is there. We have 47 pieces. Cause title.
That's right.
But if your lordships are pleased to SLP, number this 4012, only 2 persons, Arvind Kumar and one more person was the original petitioner.
Maybe you have not given the amended memo of parties.
Everything is served.
I can give it. Everything is served, but I can give it again, Milord.
71A, B onwards.
Very well,
the names are there.
We'll furnish them, they are also.
Give the, you have it with you or you don't have it?
No, I'll try to find out.
We will have it. We will find it out.
So these are from serial numbers 3 to
3 to
125.
3 to 125.
But there are certain cross marks. They are not there.
उसमें roll number नहीं
If
roll
you see
23.
page number, serial number 81, there is a cross mark.
number नहीं है.
81.
Serial number 91, there is a cross mark.
But roll number is also not there. They be directed to give the roll number, otherwise not.
Without roll number, you will not be able to.
That's why 26 already in the second chart, 26.
My lord, what had happened when
इम्प्लीडमेंट पे हमने 1 2 3 किया था जब वो यहाँ ऐड हुए तो 2 पहले से थे तो वो 1 3 हो गया
अच्छा, बोल-
अकॉर्डिंगली चेंज आ गया
रोल नंबर दे दो आपका काम आसान हो जाएगा
अब ये क्यों रजिस्ट्री में लगाया दिस इज नॉट अ टॉस मार्क दे हैव बीन एडेड
दो कैंडिडेट
Yeah, yeah.
देयर इज नो डाउट
68 देखो ना. That is my instruction. आपके बेरोजगार वाले लोग बट उन्हें उसमें 2 सेलेक्ट हो गए हैं.
बेरोजगारी बढ़ा रहे हैं
हमें तो बुलाया ही नहीं आज ये
बेरोजगार नहीं है सर, ये तो सारे इंस्टीट्यूट वाले हैं घोस्ट लिटिगेशन रिटायरमेंट एज पहुंचे बेरोजगार वाला
सबको करके चेक करने के बाद
रोल नंबर दे
Then you have to provide your roll numbers.
रोल नंबर
Milord, but roll numbers, Milord, they would have it, Milord.
they will have.
They will have
You
it.
don't have your roll numbers.
Admit card.
There was no admit card.
ऑलरेडी
My lord, form was submitted. There was no written examination. Therefore, there was no admit card. Had we received an admit card, application will get the roll number.
एटलीस्ट गिव
Two
एप्लीकेशन
of the
their internal
petitioners have already
Just 1 minute.
selected and they have already joined. Even they have.
वर्किंग
हाँ,
Mr. Singh,
यही नहीं होना
And Milord,
come to this chart,
My lord.
which you have annexed to your status report. Where is the roll number here?
No, in some cases, my lord, I have already indicated because of the lack of roll number, we have not been able to get it. I have indicated.
No, this does not contain any roll number. Without roll number, you have been able to give the details. Why can't you give the details for the others?
they could not be fined, your lordship, they could not be fined. Therefore, we are seeking, let them give their roll number or application number, whatever detail they have, so that we can
And they have not-
find them.
Where have you said that you did not find it? You have not said so.
Your Lordship,
Data.
in the chart itself we are given petitioner detail,
Data.
as per detail, not available.
As per detail given in the writ petition.
The chart is already we have given.
This is,
The first page, Lordship, will have para number 3.
They are
They
beating
indicate
around the bush.
that the petitioner's data was not found as per
Details available in the petition.
Since it is old, I think, they are handicapped.
And they have not, my lord,
so what is
applied.
the detail that is available in the writ for the others? What is that?
Others writ petition was available.
That is why the
In
state
others,
is
they have
asking
not.
for if there is some.
And for selected,
number
my lord, for selected candidates, they have not given any details at all, in spite of your lordship's directions. Because, my lord, they were not having CITS, they have not provided any details on the selected. All illegal, my lord.
Even
We can produce all.
For petitioners, they are saying no data found. For selected, they are not even, my lord, submitted the details before, my lord.
how many had.
How many had CITS, how many did not have CITS? Your lordship specifically asked them. Entire, my lord, illegal appointments.
And then we have got that RTI.
After 1 and 2, 1 and 2 are in writ A 5517 of 19. Right? You have taken the numbers and names of the persons only from the cost title of the writ petition.
Writ petition.
You have not looked into the SLP cost title.
That may be there, maybe.
That is the mistake that has been committed.
But out of,
Surendra Kumar Sonkar is a petitioner in a different writ petition.
but in this list,
He is in the same writ petition, my lord, 4012, which is Mr. Sain's SLP.
No, Mr. Sen's,
His writ in the High Court was naturally different, my lord, as your lordship has.
Mr. Sen's SLP arises out of 5517.
Yes, my lord, but his SLP number is
SLPs.
4012 is Arvind Kumar, the lead SLP.
Right.
And so, my lord,
4012, this is 4013, this is
not
4013.
at
That's
the
right.
Stage, they have become petitioner in the SLP.
1314.
No, these,
State has, my lord, the state has given both the details, the SLP number as well as the writ.
my friend is not appearing for the state. I don't know why he's.
No, Mr. Sen, why are you interrupting? We are trying to find out a solution.
So, my lord,
Please don't interrupt. 5517 was Mr. Sen's original writ petition before the High Court,
Yes, please.
which had Arvind Kumar and Yagya Yu as the two petitioners.
please,
Is that correct?
Right? Please now tell us, if there is one writ petition, how can there be three SLP numbers? 4012 to 4014?
because there was a batch of, my lord, there was a batch of
No, your
36
lordship.
writ petitions.
Just 1 minute, let him explain.
There was a batch of 36 writ petitions, my lord.
petition.
If the petitioner
This
chooses
is
to challenge
4012,
2 writ petition orders out of 36,
Same.
then the SLP will
number-
become accordingly, my lord. One,
This is also for.
This is
challenges 5
4013.
writ petitions.
This is 4014.
It's a common judgment, my lord, out in 36 writ petitions.
Let them
So depending on the number of writ petitions, the petitioner chooses to challenge. Before this honorable court, the registry allots that those many numbers.
the petitioners in
If only a single writ petition is challenged, my lord, only a single SLP number will be
petitioners
allotted.
in different writ petitions have joined in one SLP. Therefore, they have given the numbers, separate numbers.
That is why 3 numbers, my lord, 4012, 4014.
Who are the petitioners in SLP 4013 and 14?
Them.
Ask him to open.
But kindly, page 71 of the SLP will answer, provide an answer.
Page 71, only
the
Arvind
SLP.
and Yagya are parties as
71,
petitioners.
72.
Arvind,
71.
that's right. That is,
Arvind and Yagya.
is 4012.
So this must be SLP 4012?
That's right.
Yes, your
What is 4013 and 40?
Lordship may just turn the page.
70.
Page 72, 4013,
second SLP.
Second SLP.
71. my lord.
72.
Yes, your lordship.
70.
Second SLP.
No, after page 71, there is page 75 here.
In the middle, Malal.
In the middle, there is page 72, 73, my lord.
Yeah, papers.
This arising out of writ
There is a common judgment. My lord, आप कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं.
second SLP arises out of different writ petition.
पेज एन लिख रखा है एक्चुअली मेमो पार्टी आ गया तो बहुत ज्यादा पेजेस हो गए तो पेज एन पे
ओरिजिनल एसएलपी दे देंगे तो क्लियर।
और बीच में दो ही है.
My lord, when there,
We said that apart from that Berozgar Samiti, all other petitioners who are before us, their particular should be furnished. Why didn't you do that? It was clear, except I remember within bracket, we had excluded that Berozgar.
Just one, if I don't mind. The issue was largely of whether the selection admission was correct or wrong in accordance with the rules. If your lordship accept that matter of law, then all this will become irrelevant. This arose because we said there are vacancies and please accommodate us. Because they have merged, they have merged 2014, 15 and 16 without any carry forward being allowed, and they have done so. So your lordship in that context said that please give us the details of whoever was called for interview or not called for interview.
That's real.
And now he admits that it is incomplete. This list is incomplete. But if your lordship were to decide on the question of law, then I think all this will dissipate into nothingness, Bharat. Because who is called, who is not called will be a matter of convenience. That's of equity.
And my lord,
Called and who is not called assumes importance because of submission to the authority without challenging at the appropriate
No,
time.
which we did, we are not.
We are not concerned only with Mr. Mukherjee's Berozgar Samiti. We are concerned with all the candidates who had applied. So therefore, this is the reason.
Consider first of the blocks.
my lord, three judgments, my lord, I have, my lord, to show that, my lord,
Let
when
us have the judgments, we will consider.
Two of the petitioners have already,
Particulars
two of the petitioners have already joined. They have already been selected and joined.
Working.
At serial number 38 and 64. I think they are in the petition of the Mr. Mukherjee.
No.
In both.
In both. Chart that I have given on 3rd December, my lord.
Latest charm.
Latest chart.
3rd December 38 was called for interview.
38, item number 38, Brahmanand Chauhan.
Ah,
He have been selected and joined, working.
he has joined.
And 64 also.
64 is.
Why are they pursuing the writ petition?
They are not invited. They are not, no, not in my.
they are not in my mic, I'm not representing.
They are petitioners.
I'm not representing.
Not in my case.
Not in my, not in my case.
They are not in my case.
Page 4.
3.4 bridges.
That's where the list comes in. I am from serial of 53.
And my lord, they have not provided details of the selected candidates, which your lordship specifically asked them to, my lord, provide in the first order. That they are, my lord, conveniently silent because they do not, my lord, possess the CITS certificate at all. On the first order, your lordship says, please disclose whoever has been selected, whether they have CITS or not. That still, till date, they have not produced, my lord.
उनका नंबर देने के लिए कहाँ लिखा है?
Where?
हैं?
सब कुछ.
No, that is not
These are not
entirely accurately. See, my lord, what your lordships have directed at serial number D in para 2 of the order, my lord.
Earlier order.
Your lordship's first order, 13/11/2025, what your lordships had asked was, my lord, whether any cutoff marks were fixed for the purpose of calling candidates at the interview as well as offering for appointment. For every trade, the list discloses the cutoff marks. Then G also, what were the cutoff marks for the processes initiated for the year 15-16? How many vacancies remain unfilled pursuant to the process initiated in the year 14-15-16? That, my lord,
Left out vacancies were advertised.
Forward to the 2022
Where is that?
advertisement.
Where is that detail?
No detail given.
So where is the detail? I don't know what my learned friend wants now.
You have not disclosed whether you are having CITS certificate or not.
The order does not indicate so. I don't know where my learned friend
Therefore,
is
you will.
thinking that.
So all the selected
Keep it.
illegally
No, that is
appointed
partly
candidates.
answered C by
Where is the order?
indicating in the last column
Petitioners
who
accept
have not been called for interview.
where you.
But that is only part information that is provided to us,
That petitioner.
right? Once we get the information with regard to the other petitioners who have not been referred to in the status report, then we can consider whether
He is referring to
this participation in the process
Please, ma'am.
without raising any objection,
application number or?
what could be the effect of this participation,
Please,
right?
Mr. Singh says,
Well, they may be directed to give the roll number, etc.,
Or
so that we may get entire result, my lord. Application number and the roll number, whatever it
When
is.
they apply, do they give a number? It's for you to find out what is the application
All
number.
records are with them.
They have never.
नहीं,
Pursuant to an advertisement, they have only offered their candidature. Where is the
नहीं, उसको-
question of they getting a number?
application number इनको मिलता है. Application number दे दिया उसका.
They surprise
Otherwise,
them, produce the file on the next. Let
Show
them
us
come with the
that-
file.
Show us that somebody has been given application number.
Let them
How can
come
they
with the
be
file
given an
before your lord.
application number.
Some people.
Very well, lordship may have it in January, my lord, we find out. my lord.
ऐड करा दीजिए वैसे।
Even in this chart, we
The further status report dated 3rd December 25
लगा हुआ नहीं है।
has been filed by the respondent state of
Their benefit.
सबको दे दो
the same
जितने के रिजल्ट तक नहीं काढू।
in SLP 401
मैंने मरवा के रहा हूँ सर्टिफिकेट कैंडिडेट को ज्यादा
rightly points out that particulars of only the first two petitioners have been furnished and not the other petitioners who were included as petitioners in terms of an order dated 12 December 2023 passed by this court. Mr. Singh, the senior counsel appearing for the state, assures that the particulars of such other petitioners shall also be furnished in a further status report. Anyone else has been excluded? Apart from
Some of us.
3 to 7, 3 to so and so? Very well, only these petitioners will be furnished.
Very critical.
And the successful Milord candidates, details they have not provided till today, whether they possess CITS or not.
is very relevant for deciding. But by request, in case they
सक्सेसफुल
most
उसको
important
भी दे देंगे हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता
important issue. एक बार से request करना.
SSP order put
Milord, they may also, Milord, in the status report, indicate, Milord, two things, Milord. One is whether the
No, well,
successful
it's
candidates
not-
possess CITS certificate and qualification. That, Milord, they are not disclosing.
The whole point is.
Maybe they do not. Maybe they do not.
Well, that is
Because if it is not a essential requisite as per the advertisement, but even then they have scored higher marks.
so let them produce that.
Yes.
They are not, that's what your lordship indicated, they are not producing the marks.
They have not produced.
They have not, they are not disclosing the interview marks, how much they have given in interviews. No interview marks is disclosed. Everything is done surreptitiously.
On the next date, this issue
It is in the week commencing 27 January,
again this.
Your lordship may,
not to be treated as herding part.
your lordship may kindly direct them to also give the details of the selected candidates, my lord.
Interview.
And the interview marks.
It is already there in the
Otherwise,
result.
otherwise next date again.
Next matter,
कार्ड तो बना होगा ना सबको चाहिए नहीं मिल रहा
ordered matter, 12 noon.
से मिल जाए
Mr. Rawal is there?
ये अभी ले लेना.
2 PM matter, Lordship, adjourning.
2 PM, which one?
That surface matter, your Lordship, fixed.
Surface matter, we'll call at 2.
Oh, very.
Let the parties appear and then we will decide.
Come for one of the parties.
Otherwise, you know,
We'll come just over.
in the absence of one party or the other, it becomes difficult.
But after, sorry, madam.